Shout out to them. I ain't never had Joma shot packaging that fast. So maybe it's more blue electric, synthetic alcohol concentrate prices. And surprisingly, in the opening, I am getting a huge amount of. What up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey man, y'all know what today is. It's Friday. That means it's First Impressions Friday. So we got a new package, a new fragrance we're about to check out. Let's get into it. All right, so before we get started, I want to say what up to all the new subscribers. Thank you and welcome. And to all my OG subscribers, salute, fam. Y'all already know what it is, man. Over here on this side of YouTube, we talk about FFL, football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. All right, man, I ain't even gonna hold y'all up, man. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing because I'm eager to see this fragrance. So the package we got today came from no other than Joma Shop. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a shout out right now because I ordered this package, I think, on like a Thursday and it was here on a Monday. So shout out to them. I ain't never had Joma Shop packaging that fast. Changing things up. I like it though. Shout out to them for that. The package I have for y'all today is no other than the one that we talked about in the community tab. Now I couldn't get outside. It's completely sold out everywhere right now. And the places that do have the prices is went with the second best that y'all had on the list, Ejazzi Intense Silver. Check it out, man. So it's supposed to be a L'Eau Nuit by YSL.
Come on, man.
By YSL clone. Y'all already know how I feel about that one. It's okay. But we're gonna see if this one might be a little different. I'm kind of eager to see what this one's gonna have. So the box is very simple. Well, not too much going on there. Batch code information at the bottom. You know what we do with these. So let's just go ahead and get inside the box because it ain't one that we gonna keep like that. Hey, this bottle isn't that bad looking. No, I'm feeling this bottle. I'm feeling this bottle. So, hey, yeah, this bottle's dope, fam. This bottle is dope, man. You got Ejazzi Silver, Intense Silver on the front with the Latafa logo. You also have Intense Silver on the side there. And then on the other side, you got Eau de Parfum Concentration. Let's check out this juice, man. I ain't got nothing on right now, so I might go ahead and spray this on me. Spray it in there first. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, I can tell you right now, I like this bitch a lot. I can tell you right now that this definitely has some type of citrus note. It could be a mandarin orange, but there is something like a mandarin orange citrus, and I'm getting some bergamot as well. This shit is dope. This is definitely gonna be scent of the day worthy. This shit right here good as fuck. Oh my gosh, hold on. I think I'm getting like some type of, there's definitely an aquatic note in there. I don't know if it's sea notes or watery notes, but there's some type of aquatic sense or note that's in this fragrance. But yeah, the mandarin orange and the bergamot, you're for sure getting that. It almost smells like it has like an ambery feel to it, which is kind of throwing me off a little bit because like I said, I'm getting citruses in the opening as well as some sea note, but then at the same time it has like an amber warm feeling about it. There could even be some cedar in this thing too. This bitch good, man. This is nice. Hey, shout out to y'all, man. This is always nice. This is a great pickup. I'm liking this a lot. So I'm not gonna say that this is a L'Eau Nuit clone exactly, but I am getting cues of L'Eau Nuit from YSL in this. Now, do I smell the original? No. It probably could be more of the like blue electric of that line. I'm definitely not getting anything parfum, so I know it's not the parfum edition in this, but maybe it's more blue electric. But you still do get that same DNA from L'Eau Nuit in this. This is good, fam. This is a good pickup. This is not bad at all. And I want to say I got this from like less than 20 bucks on Joma Shop. I would like to say it was around that $16, $17 price range. Great pickup. I'm telling you right now, great pickup. And surprisingly in the opening, I am getting a huge amount of density in this. Like I'm not getting synthetic alcohol concentration, nothing like that. I'm not getting anything that's very harsh in the opening. I'm getting a very smooth opening in this. And for $20, that, I mean, yeah, man, I'm rocking with this. Like I said, I'm getting mandarin orange, bergamot, some watery notes or sea notes, one of the two. Also has like a cedar in there, some type of woodsy notes. Yeah, this is nice, man. This is banger. This is definitely something that's gonna be a little bit more uplifting. Like this is as a loud opening. So off of initial impressions, I wouldn't say that this is office safe. Try it if you want to. I wouldn't say that this is office safe. Now this is a pleasant fragrance, don't get it wrong, but this might be very loud for some people in an office setting, especially with that mandarin orange or bergamot. Man, look, this bitch good, man. And even as it's drying down, I'm getting more of a woody aspect of it. So it's definitely some type of woodsy note in there when it dries down. It could be woodsy notes, it could be some cedar, but there's a woody aspect to this as it's drying down. So in the opening, you're gonna get a lot of citrus as well as some watery notes or C notes. And then as it's drying down, it's starting to become more of that woody, amber feeling fragrance. This bitch is nice, man. God dog, I wasn't expecting. Yeah, man, this is my type of fragrance right here, man. I'm rocking with this, man. Winter chicken fucking dinner. I will have a full review coming later on, but right now this is really just first impressions. This shit is very good. If you like La Nuit by YSL, this is gonna be something that has similarities to that DNA line. Now, is it a clone? It could be, but I'm not for sure which one yet. I'm thinking more towards the Blue Electric side, but let me spend some time with it and I'll let y'all know. I definitely have a full review coming up soon. Man, look, one more time. Ejazzi Intense Silver. And you do got the Lattafa stamp at the top. I ain't even see that. Great presentation, great fragrance. I'm rocking with this a lot. Hey, I appreciate y'all for giving me the shout out on this, because this right here is dope. I'm definitely gonna have another one coming soon. And like I said, these First Impression Fridays is gonna be something that we're gonna be pushing out every Friday, where we just review a new fragrance. It could be Middle Eastern, it could be designer. Who knows? As the channel grows, we definitely gonna get more into those high complex fragrances though, for sure. But we about to get up out of here, man. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Hope y'all enjoyed the review or the unboxing first impressions. Hey, I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square, stay on your purpose. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.